And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us take a moment to honor the legends of our industry who are no longer with us. May their spirit and artistry live on forever through the magic of cinema.
जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
तेरी मेरी कहानी है, एक प्यार का नगमा है। एक प्यार का नगमा है, मौजों की रवानी है।
जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है। एक प्यार का नगमा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight I pose a question to all of you. What does it look like to attain a lifetime of achievements? An impressive filmography, or a smile that steals a million hearts? Unimaginable on-screen prowess, or an abundance of off-screen kindness? Tonight we honor the man, the He-Man, who proved time and again that one need not choose between superstardom and simplicity. He made us laugh. He made us cry. He made us fall in love with love. He was and will always be our beloved Baji.
हम तीन में हैं न 13 में हैं। हम तीन में हैं न 13 में हैं, मगर खुदा के बंदों की उस गिनती में है, उस गिनती में है। जो खुदा को मोहब्बत और मोहब्बत को खुदा कहते हैं, जो खुदा को मोहब्बत और मोहब्बत को खुदा कहते हैं, जोर मोहब्बत बना लिए हैं घर दिलों में। अब दिलों से निकाले हम कहाँ निकलते हैं, अब दिलों से निकाले हम कहाँ निकलते हैं, हम कहाँ निकलते हैं। मट्टी का बेटा हूँ, मट्टी का बेटा हूँ, मरते मरते भी कुछ कर जाऊंगा। मट्टी का बेटा हूँ, मरते मरते भी कुछ कर जाऊंगा। उखड़ती बूढ़ी सांसों से चुरा के चंद सांसें मैं चीर के सीना धरती का फसल नई एक बो दूंगा, फसल नई एक बो दूंगा।
I would now like to invite Javed Akhtar ji and Ramesh Sippy ji to say a few words.
जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are to do a task which is almost impossible. Writers deal in words, but sometimes words fail the writers, and this is one occasion. So I have decided I won't say anything which is obvious, which you know. I won't say that he was the most handsome man Hindi screen has seen. I will not tell you that he was one of the versatile actors who was on one hand the He-Man, on the other hand, he was equally convincing as a poet, as a professor, as a doctor. I won't say that his career was 65 years long. I won't say that at any occasion, never for a day he went out of the market in 65 years. I will not say it because you know it. But there is something I have observed about him. I had met him when I was 20 years old in 1965. I was earning 175 rupees. I was an assistant director. And somebody introduced to me. I have no idea why he shook my hand with such warmth. Javed, he said. Why? I do. I had a strange relationship with him. I was an assistant. I have clapped on so many shots of Dharamji. I have written film for him, dialogue. I wrote, he called me that I'm launching my son, and I want you to write the script. That was Betab, Sunny's first film. We had a long relationship, and it's very strange why he gave me so much of love. But then I should not be very proud because I think he has given so much of love to so many people. And people who are successful are respected, admired. But here was one person whom this whole film industry loved. Ladies and gentlemen, I would only like to point out something very unusual about Dharamji's personality. He was a very dignified man. Nobody could take any liberty with him. And at the same time, he was an extremely humble person. Now, this is in a way a contradiction because you move one step ahead of self-respect, you become arrogant. You walk a little more on the direction of humility, you become somebody without any self-respect. He was a strange combination of tremendous self-respect, dignity, and complete humility. And this is a strange combination. Perhaps that is why whoever he met fell in love with him. Thank you very much for giving us this honor. I think this trophy should be given by some
To join Ramesh
worthy
ji,
hands.
yes, to join Ramesh ji and Javed Saab, I would now like to invite Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji. And with that, may we please invite Dharamji's son, Bobby Deol, to accept the Lifetime Achievement Award.
Bobby, say a few words.
आप सब यहाँ मौजूद हैं, आप सब के दिलों में, आंखों में मुझे मेरे पापा का प्यार दिखता है। आप सबके दिलों को पापा ने छुआ है, बिना जाने बिना मिले, अपने काम से, अपनी इंस्टाग्राम रील्स से, जो आजकल उनका एक नई हॉबी थी उनकी। वो हमेशा चाहते थे कि लोग खुश रहें। वो हमेशा चाहते थे कि ज़िंदगी में बहुत दिया है भगवान ने सबको, हमारे अंदर एक स्पेशल गिफ्ट है और उसमें अगर हम बिलीव करना शुरू कर दें तो हम कुछ भी पा सकते हैं लाइफ में। दैट्स व्हाई इतने साल उन्होंने इस इंडस्ट्री में काम किया। उनके भी बुरे दिन आए, अच्छे दिन आए, लेकिन उन्होंने कभी गिव अप नहीं किया। और जहाँ भी जाता हूँ, जिनसे भी मिलता हूँ, सबसे इतना प्यार मिलता है। क्यों? क्योंकि मेरे पापा ने सबके दिलों के तालों खोल दिए, हमारे लिए, मेरे लिए, मेरे भाई के लिए, मेरे घर वालों के लिए, सबके लिए। क्योंकि लोग इतना प्यार करते हैं मेरे पापा को कि हमें उन्होंने बिना सोचे दिल में अपने बसा लिया। और आज मैं यहाँ हूँ, मुझे तो ऐसा नहीं लगता कि, मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं घर जाऊँगा और पापा को कहूँगा, पापा मैं आप आ नहीं पाए तो मैं आपका अवार्ड साथ में लेके आ रहा हूँ। कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं यहाँ आऊँगा ऐसे। और आनंद really wanted me I am very blessed and I am grateful to God for making me his son. And thank you so much, Screen. Papa, you're the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Bobby. Yeah, I'll take it. Thank you, Javed ji. Thank you, Ramesh Sippy ji. Thank you, Devendra Fadnavis ji.